Right, so if you've got a little guy like we've got who's very food driven and he does not like having his nails clipped the standard way with the clippers, so what we've got is one of these nail boards, and the way that it works is we put some kibble inside of that slot, and you can see he's already learned that when he scrapes on it, we'll open it up, and we just want to let him scrape a little, 1, 2, 3, and then give him a little kibble, close the door, just a couple of scrapes, and then hold him back a little bit. If he digs, which is his tendency, he'll scrape his nails down to the cuticles. We don't want that to happen. And he is really driven by this bully mac food. It's his favorite food. So there's a stand on the back that'll keep it at an angle. Little tab up here so you can open the door, let him have a nibble. A little nibble. And by just doing this a few times, you can see he automatically will switch paws, and just let him go scrape, 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 nibble, scrape, 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 nibble, and that works really well for keeping his hands nice and his paws nice and trim, and he's enjoying it. Hope this helps.